Hi, I will explain the code for the game Balloon Catcher. For this program, I have made total 7 files, 3 program, 3 header and 1 main program file. In this primary.cpp file, there are various functions for different tasks. Like here in this add power up function, this is the function to add the random power ups in the game. Then we have this minimap coordinate function for coordinates of pixel in the HUD. And this draw minimap is to display the pixels. This void basic function is used to customize the game. Then we have this void draw HUD function to draw the basic HUD structure in the game. And then we have this apply fuel to add the life when character collects hearts so that the game doesn't end. We have this check collision function to check the collision when character collects the power-ups. And in this we have used different if statements. Here I have loaded the sound effect when the sprites collided. Then we have this update game function to update the required changes after collision. And then we have this secondary.cpp file. This mainly deals with sprite functions and movement of sprites. In this switch case, there are two cases for changing the characters in the game. Then we have then in this player data, new player, there are different functions to create sprite, to select the character kind, and to set the position in the center. Then we have various sprite functions to apply movement based on rotation and velocity in the sprite. And then we have this to test the edge of screen boundaries to adjust the camera. Likewise, we have different sprite functions for their movements, and here we have this void handle input to allow the player to switch characters and to handle the movement of the character so that they can collect the balloons by rotating left, right or forward or back with different keys. Then we have this tertiary.cpp file which mainly deals with power-ups and their location in the game. Here also we have different switch cases for different random power-ups and their location. And the three header files, the primary header file, secondary header file and the tertiary header files. In these files, the variables used in function declared in program files are declared in these header files. And in this main program.cpp file, we have combined all the files and function calling is done to get the required output. Here we have called all the functions for the game to get the output. So the overview of my game is that firstly there will be a choice to start or end the game. Like here we can press 1 to enter the game and 2 to exit. And then the game will start by pressing 1. As the game starts, different balloon packs will come. There will be specifically 2 balloons pack, that is 1 Australian balloons and then Canadian balloons. They will increase the score 30 and 100 respectively. Stones will also be coming down simultaneously with balloons. The player has to dodge the stones. If the stone hits the character, then the score will be 0. There will be hearts randomly coming and showing up, and it would be compulsory to collect them to continue the game life. If the life finishes, the game will end automatically. In the middle of the game, if the player wishes to quit the game, he/she can do it by pressing E. Thank you.